Here we show you a collection of nice pocket watches with wrist watches in leather strap and nylon straps. Here is ASA 1935, Omega of 1949, 44 millimeters, a Revue of 1940s with 46 millimeters, a Junghans of 1937 with 47 millimeters, Omega 44 millimeters of 1946, a Tissot of 1938 with 44 millimeters, Omega of 1941 with 44 millimeters, Omega of 1942 with 45 millimeters, and a Bullover 1969 with 43 millimeters, a Cyma of 1948 with 44 millimeters, a Cyma of 1940 with 44 millimeters, a Silvana 1940s with 45 millimeters, and the Silvana of the 1940s with 44 millimeters.